Did you know insurance companies scan your MC authority long before giving you a quote? And sometimes your authority gets flagged before we even talk to an underwriter. Today, I'm showing you what underwriters look at in your DOT profile, and what gets you rejected instantly. Underwriting concern number 1. Inactive or delayed authority activation. Underwriters check how long your authority has been active, if you activated and didn't run, if you filed BOC3 late, if your insurance filing was delayed. Delays show underwriters you weren't organized from day one. Underwriting concern number 2. Sudden jump in vehicle count. Motor carriers who start with "You have one truck" and then suddenly list 5. No drivers hired, no maintenance history. Underwriters assume growth too fast equals risk of crashes. Underwriting concern number 3. Freight category mismatches. If your MC authority says you haul autos, high-value freight, hazmat, household goods, but you're quoting general freight insurance, it will lead to an immediate mismatch. Underwriters don't like uncertainty. Underwriting concern number 4. Zero inspection activity. If your authority is 6 to 12 months old and you have 0 inspections, 0 activity, no mileage, underwriters fear paper carriers or fraudulent authorities. Underwriting concern number 5. Incorrect business classification. Underwriters compare FMCSA classification doesn't match application. W9 category doesn't match operations. Underwriters view mismatches as unreliable data. Most carriers never realize their authority is being judged before they ever get a quote. But if you clean up your MC profile early, you'll get better rates, faster approvals, and fewer underwriting headaches. If you want me to review your MC profile before you quote, reach out. I'm here to help. Like, comment and subscribe for more insurance plus trucking business tips.